just like car and get shit. See, I told you that if we knew we were filming, then we wouldn't do anything funny like we normally do. Do I sound like a blocked nose?
What?
You look like 50 Cent, but more white. I mean, less black.
That's black, so a bit black.
Not more white.
More white. Have you filled this out?
I didn't put that on camera.
You've got to fill it out.
You know, we should add a bit of a Super Mac into this. We know what we do when we get bored. Oh, that was bright. Oh my god, we took a really nice picture. Wow, why did I open my mouth? Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Do I have anything in my teeth? You have sunglasses on.
No, do I?
Yes! We're gonna sound really high pitched. Now we have nothing else to do. Do my eyebrows really look like that? It's like, oh my god, Britney Spears concert just sold out. Oh.
Yeah.
I'd like to say that I still have that spot on my head. Look at that. I made a video about a spot on my head if you didn't know.
That's terrible.
I know. I had nothing better to do. Did you bring this? Yes.
Look! Okay, come here!
Are you wearing too much makeup? I think I am. Jesus Christ. That's ironic because I'm wearing all black.
I'm wearing red or blue.
Red.
What?
Okay, you be the gangster and I'll be the princess.
Oh, my ear! Look, where are I? Look.
Why am I looking at it?
It's sticking out.
Cara, look at me. Look at me, Cara.
I'm looking!
No, look at me. What was the point of this? Oh, it's stuck in my hair. Okay, I'm fine. Push me, and then just touch me. So I get their satisfaction. You look well gangster.
I have no eyes.
What, does that make you blind? We should put some music on. You know what? I actually have satisfaction.
I'm stuck.
My satisfaction.